The ruffed grouse, a plump little bird full of surprises. This amorous male is hoping to attract a partner. Like all ruffed grouse, he's no singer, but he is a drummer. He belts out this mating beat more than 12 hours a day. But in these woods, broadcasting your whereabouts at top volume is a dangerous game. Goshawks patrol here. And a portly grouse would make an ample meal. He somehow needs to make himself heard by potential mates without attracting unwanted attention. For the first time, super slow motion cameras reveal how he does it. With each wing beat, the lower feathers flick forwards, scooping up a pocket of air, creating a loud boom, which is channeled directly in front of him. Strangely, from the side, just a faint fluttering can be heard, but from in front, it's 3 times louder, and his efforts are paying off. A female attracted by his beat. Now he must make sure he looks as impressive as he sounds. It seems to be going well. But at the first hint of danger, he chickens out.